Good morning, students. I am going to take a class for 4th standard in this social 5th chapter, the Northern Plains. So here they have given a learning objectives here. Know about Northern Plains. Name the river basins in the Northern Plains. List the plants and animals found in the Northern Plains. Describe the life in the region. So warm up here given. Name the regions where these crops are grown in India. After this learning lesson, we will write here. Here have given a rice and wheat. In these crops where grows in India, we will got to know. After that we will write here. So next, the northern plains. So the northern plains lie to the south, the south of the northern mountains. They extend from Punjab in the west to Assam in east. Majority of population of India lives in this region. These plains are also known as the Indo-Gangetic plains or the Great Plains of India. So northern plains, well, it have means south of the northern mountains. The northern plains having south of the northern mountains. They having from Punjab to the west, Assam to in the east. Here it is known as the plains is known as Indo-Gangetic plains or the Great Plains of India. So moving to the next page here, the northern plains have been formed by three major rivers. The northern plains having a formed by three major rivers are here. First one is Indus, Ganga and the Brahmaputra. These are the three rivers, major rivers of the northern plains. Got it? No? Indus, Ganga and the Brahmaputra and their tributaries. These rivers bring along minerals, rocks and slit from the mountains and deposit them on their banks and surrounding areas. It is known as alluvial soil, which is the most fertile soil in the world. Which one is the alluvial soil, which is the most fertile soil in the world? These are the Indus and Ganga and the Brahmaputra. These are the three major rivers and their tributaries. They having a minerals in their rivers. They having a minerals, rocks and slit from the mountains and deposit them on their banks. Got it? No? The rivers Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra divided the North Plains into three basins. In these three rivers, they having a three basins also. A basin is an area watered by river and its tributaries. Basin is nothing but an watered river. Watered river is nothing but an basin. Got it? No? These are the three basins of northern plains. First one is the Indus basin, Ganga basin, Brahmaputra basin. These are the three basins of northern plains. Got it? No? So next one is the first one, the Indus basin. What is meant by Indus basin here? The Indus basin is formed by the river Indus and the tributaries. In this Indus river, we got an Jhelum, Chena, Bravi, Beas and Satluj. So in here, they having a very different type of places here. Jhelum, Chena, Bravi, Beas and Satluj. A large part of the basin lies in Pakistan. So large amount of basin is lies in having in Pakistan. In India, the Indus basin covers the states of Punjab. Indus basin where having means Punjab and Haryana. Both these states are drained mainly by the river Satluj. Where in Pakistan, in Punjab and Haryana, they having a river named Satluj. We will got their Indus basin. The main crops grows in Punjab and Haryana are wheat, cotton, barley, maize, rice, oil seeds and millets and sugar cane. In Punjab and Haryana, the crops will grow like wheat, cotton, barley, maize, rice, oil seeds, millets and sugar cane. Got it? No? The Ganga basin. Next one is the Ganga basin. The Ganga basin spreads mainly across the states of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. The tributaries of the river Ganga, Gangdak, Gomti, Ganghara, Kosi and Chambal. In Ganga basin, they having a Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and the West Bengal. Got it? No? In Ganga basin, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, West Bengal. In that river Ganga, they having a Gangdak, Gomti, Ganghara, Kosi, Chambal run through the basin. On reaching West Bengal, the Ganga divides itself into several branches. Ganga having divides into several branches are there. The two main branches are Hooghly and the Padma rivers. The major two divided in Hooghly and the Padma rivers. So moving to the next page here, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra rivers from the largest delta in the world, the Sundarban Delta. In this Ganga rivers, they having a largest delta on the world is Sundarban Delta. The major crops given in this basin are sugarcane, rice, jute, wheat and millets. So here in Gangaputra Sundarban Delta, they having a crops grown in sugarcane and rice, jute, wheat and millets. So the Brahmaputra basin. Next one is the Brahmaputra basin. The Brahmaputra basin covers the states of Assam and Tripura. Brahmaputra where it is have Assam and Tripura. The Brahmaputra rises the Tibet where it is called as Sangpo. So here Sangpo. Here pronunciation T is a silent here, so we cannot take a T. Okay, so here Sangpo is a pronunciation T-S-A-N-G-P-O, Sangpo. It enters India from Arunachal Pradesh, passes through Assam and falls into the Bay of Bengal. They having a river there. They passes in India. Their Arunachal Pradesh passes through to Assam and falls into the Bay of Bengal. From Assam, it will falls to from the Bay of Bengal. This basin gets the highest rainfall in the world. The main crops grown here are jute and rice. The main crops grows in here in Brahmaputra rivers, jute and rice. Got it now? So next one, plant and animal life. Plants. The northern plains are densely populated as they are very fertile. The warm temperature and humid conditions helps in growth of different types of plants, trees and crops. Crops such as rye, wheat, millets, maize, barley, sugarcane and cotton are the grown here extensively. Plant and animals, they have in northern plains which were the crops grown in here. Rice, wheat, millets, maize, barley, sugarcane, cotton are the grown are extensively. So animals, people living in plains domesticated many animals such as cows. In the northern plains there, the animals which will live there such as cows, buffaloes, goat, donkeys and poultry. The wild animals that are found in these plains are bison, elephant, lions, tigers, leopards and different kinds of monkeys, gibbons, wild buffaloes and deer. These are the animals which live in northern basin or northern plains. So moving to the next here. So gibbon and leopard, you didn't know means they have given a picture of gibbon here and leopard. Got it now? So next, life in the region. So life in the region. Punjab lies in the Indus basin. Punjab, where is in their Punjab they having a Indus basin. No, we already got it. It shares its capital Chandigarh with Haryana. The main rivers flowing through Punjab are Satluj, Ravi and Beas. In Punjab they having a flowing rivers is nothing but an Satluj river, Ravi and Beas. In their Punjab, Satluj, Ravi and Beas, they having a places to visit there. The important places of tourist interest in the state are called Golden Temple. In Punjab there is a Golden Temple, very famous temple. Some of the visitors got having to see, most of peoples having to see a Golden Temple, Jallianwala Bagh, Lakshmi Narayan Mandir and Sheesh Mahal. These are the famous places in Punjab where the places to visit. So culture and occupation. In Punjab they having a sum of cultural and occupation. The people of Punjab wear colorful clothes. The people of Punjab wear very colorful clothes. The women wear salwar, kurta, kameez and dupatta, while men kurta with lungi or pajama or turban, yani pagri. Turban, it is nothing but an pagri which will they put on their head. The main occupation of the people Punjab is farming. In their Punjab, the main occupation is farming. Punjab also has many industries that produce textiles, hosiery, cycles, sports goods and saving machines. These are the industries having their produce. Next one is Haryana. Haryana lies is also Indus basin. In Haryana also they got in the Indus basin. Moving to the next page here. Places to visit in Haryana. Places to visit. The important tourist places of Haryana are Kurukshetra, Surajkund, Panipat, Karnal, and Pinjore. These are the places to visit in Haryana. In their culture and occupation in Haryana is men wear dhoti or pajama with kurta, while women wear ghagra kurta. Women wear ghagra kurta with odhani. The state is famous for vast fertile lands and dairy farms. The main occupation of people of Haryana are agriculture and dairy farming. Faridabad in Haryana is an important industrial town of the state. Gurugram in Haryana is a renowned IT hub in India. So these are the famous places to visit in Haryana, and the cultural and occupation, they wear the dhoti or pajama with kurta, while women wear ghagra and kurta with odhni. Got it now? So in this class up to here enough. So in next class we will go to learn through the Uttar Pradesh. Okay, thank you.